Hey guys, update on the diesel Gladiator build on 40s. So coming right along, we have the Dana 60 rear end in. Still buttoning up a few things, like trying to figure out how we're gonna actually hook up the electronic lockers. It's not an easy plug and play on this, but just for a comparison's sake, here's what came out of it, and here's the monster that's in it right now. So a huge, huge upgrade. We're really excited about this one, and we're doing all that so we can appropriately carry these huge 40-inch tires mounted to method bead locks. Now the suspension actually isn't done yet. We just couldn't wait. We wanted to see what it looked like on the rack. So it will eventually be getting a Mopar 2-inch lift. That's it. Same lift we do on a stock car on 37s. All you have to do is it takes some trimming of these fenders and obviously a lot of internal work to be able to carry the load. But Jeep's done a pretty spectacular job making it easy to put a larger tire on the new JL and the JT. So on the front, we do have this monster in at this point. Still buttoning up a few things, finishing up the steering. This is a Steer Smart's front end steering. It's because that huge tire is gonna be tricky for the factory one to actually control. So that'll keep everything tight. Went ahead and finished wiring up the winch through a Pro Link in the front. If you guys aren't familiar with those, it's a huge upgrade over the standard hook. It's a lot safer too, which is nice. Something we bumped into that we weren't anticipating is that on the diesel, your reservoirs here, so those JCR inner fenders we were gonna throw in here will not work. So currently sourcing a solution for those. Stay tuned for the next update where hopefully we have one for you guys. We'll talk to you soon.